What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your third brake light on your 1999 to 04 Ford Mustang. So obviously this is your third brake light. Mine is pretty faded and ugly and just doesn't look good at all. So I got this Raxiom LED third brake light, which is pretty freaking cool. So I'm gonna unbox that in a second. I already took a look at it, and let me just show you guys what you're gonna need. Now this is pretty much the only tool you're gonna need. It's a 10 mil with a short little extension. Make sure to use a deep socket one. You got your 1/4 inch ratchet. Nothing too crazy. I'm gonna show you guys what you need to do to take the light out. So to remove the light, you literally only have 2 bolts. You have one right there and one right there. And it's literally labeled. I think that one says 1 and that one says 2. So go ahead and do that. All right, now that you unbolted it, the light should just come right out. And there's a little clip right here that you have to unclip. Push down on this bottom tab and it should come right out. All right, this is actually another day as I'm recording this, but what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna get your old bulb out of there on the old light. So start by just unclipping all these guys and taking all these guys out. After you took all the light bulbs out, you're gonna wanna undo some clips. There's one right here, one right there, and a couple over here. So just go ahead and pop these guys out and take this whole harness off the light. So now that you unhook that whole harness, just re-put that harness back on the light. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just reverse what you did back on the thing. You will have 5 light bulb holders, but put the access one that was on the corner over there, back in the corner with no light in it. And there's the little blue harnesses connectors. Just push them into where the existing light connector was. Do the same thing with the clip, and then you can go ahead and install it on your car. I went and grabbed my little mini impact with my 10 mil extension. Don't go too tight, whatever you do, because if you go too tight, it's only plastic and you will break it. Just go very loosely. I do know the power of this gun and what it's got, so I was just going very loosely until I got it ever so slightly like snug. You can do it with a wrench if you want, but whatever you do, don't strip it, because that will happen. And there it is. So on that note, I would like to thank everyone for watching. I think it came out great. I do like that look. It's nothing too crazy. It kind of goes with the black top a little bit, maybe with my tail lights. I'm probably gonna get new taillights in the future. I don't know, the OEM ones do look really good. So I don't know, but it does look good. I love it. It works. I would show you how it works, but I have no one here to step on the brake pedal for me. So yeah, I hope everyone enjoyed the video, and take care. I will see you guys next time.